Seriously, I figured the DJI Flip would just be another tiny drone with a fancy name, a few software tricks, and the same old marketing bullshit we've been hearing for years. Then I launched it. About 5 minutes later, I realized DJI had done it again. Because this little flying bastard isn't trying to compete with big drones. It's trying to make you wonder why you'd even buy one. And honestly, that's a dangerous question. Yo, what's good, legends? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, the place where fake influencer hype gets exposed, overpriced tech bullshit gets absolutely cooked, and companies trying to recycle old garbage as innovation get called out like the greedy little assholes they are. And yeah, if you're thinking about grabbing the DJI Flip with the RC2 screen controller, I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit out after the video. If you're new here, hit like, subscribe, and all that good shit, because this channel stays raw, uncensored, and brutally honest. No fake hype, no sponsored bullshit. No influencers pretending every drone automatically turns them into Steven Spielberg. Today we're talking about the DJI Flip, and holy fuck, DJ, I may have just made one of the smartest beginner drones ever. Let's get into it. The very first thing you'll notice is how ridiculously compact this thing is. Fold it up, throw it in a backpack, and you're ready to go. No giant carrying case. No hauling around enough gear to look like you're deploying military equipment. It weighs under 249 grams, which means it's incredibly travel friendly and easy to carry almost anywhere. That's already a huge win. Now let's talk about the RC2 controller. And honestly, this might be my favorite part of the whole package. Why? Because I am so damn tired of drones that expect you to use your phone for everything. You spend 5 minutes plugging cables in, then your phone overheats. A notification pops up, someone calls you, your battery starts dying. It's a complete pain in the ass. The RC2 fixes all of that. The built-in display is bright, responsive, and ready to go the second you power it on. No phone, no distractions, no unnecessary bullshit. You turn it on, connect, fly. Imagine technology actually respecting your time. Now let's talk about the camera, because let's be honest, nobody buys a drone just to admire how cute it looks. The DJI Flip shoots beautiful 4K footage that's sharp, colorful, and surprisingly cinematic. Whether you're filming beaches, mountains, vacations, real estate, road trips, or just your dog running around the backyard like a complete lunatic, the footage looks fantastic, colors look natural, the dynamic range is impressive, and the 3-axis gimbal keeps everything looking ridiculously smooth, even if you're still learning how to fly. That's the part that impressed me. This drone makes average pilots look way better than they actually are. Now here's where DJI starts showing off. Follow me mode. Holy shit. This feature feels like having your own flying cameraman. Start walking, start running, ride your bike, skateboard, hike. The drone locks onto you and smoothly follows along without constantly needing manual input. That's awesome for creators. You don't need a second person, you don't need complicated camera movements, just hit a button and let the drone do the work. Honestly, it almost feels unfair. Now let's talk flight performance, because fancy cameras don't mean much if the drone flies like a drunk pigeon. Thankfully, DJI absolutely nailed it. The controls feel incredibly smooth. Takeoffs are easy, landings are easy, the drone feels stable in the air. Even beginners will feel comfortable after a surprisingly short amount of time. That's why DJI dominates this market. They make complicated technology feel stupidly simple. Now, battery life. This thing gives you around 31 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. Is that enough? For most people, absolutely. You're probably not flying continuously for half an hour anyway. And if you grab extra batteries, you'll be filming for a long damn time. Now let's talk video transmission. The DJI Flip offers an impressive transmission range that keeps your connection stable over long distances. Does that mean you should immediately fly it to another country? Slow the f down, asshole. Follow your local drone laws and keep the drone where you're actually allowed to fly. So, is the DJI Flip with the RC2 screen controller worth it? I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit. If this review helped you out, hit like, drop a comment telling me the first place you'd fly the DJI Flip, and subscribe for more real, uncensored, no bullshit tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you legends in the next one. Until then, peace the fuck out.